Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this SKODA. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is switched on like so. Now normally, there you go, it's already come up, it's already showing. However, if in your car it's not already showing, what you need to do, you can either go to menu and then find settings through here. We click on that, then scroll down to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. You see there pair devices and find devices, which looks like one line, but when you get to it, it splits into two, so we want find devices. Click find devices, it's searching for devices. It's already showing here. There you go, Barry's iPhone 10. Click on that and it's showing you there Barry's iPhone 10 would you like to connect, and also pair. So we need pair there, connect there. Does this passkey match? Well, yes it does. Pairing with Barry's iPhone 10 successful. Do you want your contacts and favorites to sync? I don't, because I won't be using the car again, but you would. And you can see there it's connected.